Tamilarasi, Tamilil ஒரு துளி.
Hi kids, today I'm going to read a book with a very special guest. Do you know who it is? Let's see. It's Bhuvan!
Yay!
Are you ready to read a story with us, Bhuvan?
Yes!
Okay. What letter is this, Bhuvan?
What could it be? S?
Yes! Can you tell me about this picture? What are these two animals?
Seal
Yeah, this is a seal.
and a snake.
What sound does the snake make? What's this? What is this?
Shell
Yes, it's a shell. And where are they?
on the beach.
Yeah, on the seashore. Okay?
Okay.
So today we're gonna just seal and the snake on the seashore. Okay? Seal and snake collected seashells. So what do they do?
Like seashell. When I go to the beach, if I see a seashell, I pick it up and get it back home.
Okay. I think they were just like you. They made a seashell necklace and wore it. Okay, so they made a necklace and they wore it.
The shells. What else do they do?
Okay, so what are they doing here, Bhuvan?
They're playing with the slide and swing.
Yeah. Okay. On the seashore, the seal slid down the slide, shouting. So what was the seal doing? So he was sliding down the slide while you're saying. Okay. The snake swung from a swing. Okay, what did it do? And it was saying. What did I say? It's so fun looking, right?
The one's like sliding and one's like swinging.
Good. Okay. On the seashore, the seal and the snake built a sand castle.
Looks like a real castle.
Ooh, do you like building sand castles?
Yes, but I don't have a bucket, so I don't really know how to make it.
Okay, what is this on the seashore? Yeah, it's a crab.
I never seen a crab. Pinky claw.
Okay. So now I'm going to be asking questions. Okay? Are you ready to answer, kids?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to be closing the book. No one is going to look at the book. The first question is, what did the seal and the snake collect at the beach?
Seashells.
Yeah, what did they collect?
Seashells.
Yeah, what did they do with the seashells?
Made necklaces. Also, when I go to get seashells, I color them.
Ooh, okay, very good. So, question number 2. What did the seal say when he slided down the slide? Yeah, he said.
While going down the slide like this.
Okay, after sliding and swinging, what did the seal and the snake do?
The snake was picking out shells with shovel, and the seal and snake built a sandcastle together.
Yeah, okay. I hope you all answered it right. To the kids who answered it right, congratulations.
Bye.
Bye. Come again next time to read another book with us.
Bye.
ஹாய் கிட்ஸ், எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்போ உங்களோட டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.